Today, we are diving into the cutting-edge capabilities of AI with the newly released Llama 3.2 vision model from Llama. This incredible model can analyze images, answer questions about them, which finally brings visual understanding to AI conversations. And what's even cooler, we are going to integrate this model into a fully functional web app using Streamlit. And by the end of this video, we'll having a working app where users can upload an image, ask questions about it, and finally get the answers. Before we dive into the app, let's quickly set up the necessary tools. To use Llama 3.2 vision model, we need to install Llama, a powerful tool that manages AI models locally. Here's how to get it started. First, head over to the official Llama website and download the installer for your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the prompts to install llama.exe. To verify that installation was successful, open your terminal or command prompt and type llama -version. Now, after installing Llama, it's time to pull the Llama 3.2 vision model. This ensures the model to available locally for use in our app. So simply run this command in your terminal and this will download the model to your system. That's it. You are all set to use the Llama 3.2 vision model in your project, and let's move on to building the app. Here's the app we are building today. As you can see, you can upload any image, say a photo of a beautiful landmark, and ask questions like, what is this place, or can you describe this image? The AI processes your image and provides a response like this. It's seamless and fun to interact with, right? So let's jump into the code and learn how to build this step by step. First, we need to import the necessary libraries. So here we're using Streamlit for our web app and Pillow to handle image processing, and finally our hero of the video, Llama, to interact with the Llama 3.2 vision model. Next, we configure our app using Streamlit's setPageConfig function in order to set the title of the browser and to center the layout for a clean user interface. We'll add a title and a brief description of our app. So this helps users understand the purpose of the app immediately when they hit our Streamlit application. Now we will use the Streamlit's file uploader widget to allow users to upload an image. And for this instance, we will only allow JPG, JPEG and PNG. Once an image is uploaded, we'll display it using Pillow and Streamlit's st.image method. We save this uploaded image temporarily so it can be sent to the Llama 3.2 vision model. And this ensures the model can access the image during the chat. So here's the exciting part, which is adding the chat interface. So let's start with taking the input from the user using Streamlit's text input method. And if and only if the user gives the question, let us pop up a spinner with a text called thinking. And after that, let us pass this question by the user and the temporary part of the image which was previously stored by us to the llama.chat method. And the llama will process that particular image and the question by the user and gives the response, and we'll be finally displaying it to the user using Streamlit's write method. Finally, we include error handling to catch and display the issues, so this makes the app more robust. And that's it. You now have a fully functional image chat app powered by Llama 3.2 vision and built with Streamlit. And feel free to customize this app further or integrate with other AI models. If you found out this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more AI based projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.